Okay, today I will be making southwestern chicken wraps. Ingredients need salsa, sour cream, lettuce, cheese. I got chicken, um, corn chips, got the tortillas, and then because I don't have tomatoes, I am going to be substituting with my Tastefully Simple dried tomato and garlic pesto mix. And it called for taco seasoning, and I have Mom's favorite taco seasoning. First thing is to make the sauce. You need your sour cream, salsa, and then these two mixes. Okay, we got the sauce all mixed up. Next, lettuce. Lettuce cut up. Alright, first we start with the sauce and put it on the taco. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's got the sauce. Next, chicken. It's already on. Cheese. Lettuce. Next, Doritos. Crushed. And then I'm going to drizzle it with some more sauce. And there is the wrap. Easy peasy. Recipe will be linked in the comments box.